Building tilt and strain monitoring using ICP-DAS USA's I-7188XC controller. The I-7188XC controller helps with building tilt and strain monitoring. To ensure accuracy, a surveying team invented a special monitoring method that has never been used on a tall building before. It's an inclination sensor that measures tilt of whatever it's attached to. The sensors can be attached to a wall of various floors throughout the building. This allows calculation of exactly how the building is moving at all times. And GPS data is used with tilt meter data. The I-7188XC is an expandable embedded controller that offers the ultimate in modern, cost-effective control. It offers boundless expansion capabilities with its internal expansion bus, allowing for fully customizable applications in a compact and robust embedded control format. In this building application, the controller is used for tilt and strain monitoring. Strain is measured to determine the level of stress in the building, structure, or material. The value and direction of the stress is determined from the strain and known properties of the material. An inclination sensor is used in situations where accurate positioning of an angle in relation to the gravitational pull is important. An inclination sensor measures the angle in regard to a horizontal position in reference to a line from the center of the Earth. The I-7188XC runs a program written in C language that gets the GPS location from our GPS 721U MRTU. This remote GPS receiver module features high sensitivity, low power consumption, and an ultra-small form factor with DCON, Modbus RTU, and GPS protocols. The I-7188XC comes with demo programs, functions, and libraries for reading, writing, getting data from Modbus devices, timer functions, using the power-saving mode, control and monitoring of Modbus and other I/O modules, receiving COM port data, and more. You can find a list of the demo programs in the description box of this video. To learn more about the I-7188XC, visit our website at icp-usa.com or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA sales team.